The Urdd Eisteddfod was never like this, then it hadn't been held at the Afan Lido before. The leisure centre's sports halls were an ideal centre for a cultural Eisteddfod, but it would have been a pity to waste the pool. Despite the swimming gala, it's still a traditional Urdd. The only main difference is the absence of a tent for the main competitions. They'll be held in the Afan Lido's sports hall. The hot sunshine brought thousands of visitors for once in summer shoes. Once Wellingtons had been traditional wear for wet and muddy Eisteddfod fields. There was still an attempt to preserve the spirit of the tent with the porches, but once or twice Urds have been held in large halls. Surprisingly, this arrangement means more work, not less.
Well, it's been a lot of work preparing it. It's been far more fiddly, and the field manager, Mark Phillips, has been well up with the problems, but the end result is really successful, and I think it's certainly better than the usual pavilions we do with.
What do you think people would personally prefer, though? Because in many ways with the pavilion, the tent, there's slightly more atmosphere, isn't there?
Well, I don't know. What do you think? You can hear the crowds behind me there. You know, they seem to be enjoying themselves and creating the atmosphere as usual. Possibly. I couldn't really answer that until the end of this as well, but I'm sure it'll be a great atmosphere throughout the week.
So far, we've been right around the mice, and we've talked about the pavilion. We haven't been inside it. So let's go inside, and what better excuse, a competition.